Hey everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, I'm going to show you how to check copy-paste history in Windows 10. Step 1. Click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen and open Settings. If you prefer, you can also type Settings in the search bar and select it from the results. This is where all your system configurations are managed, so it's the starting point for accessing Clipboard options. Step 2. Once Settings is open, make sure System is selected from the list of options. This section contains all the essential system features, including display, notifications, and clipboard settings. Step 3. Scroll down to find Clipboard or type Clipboard in the settings search bar at the top if you can't find it. Clipboard settings are important because they allow you to manage what you've copied and saved. Step 4. Turn on Clipboard History by toggling the switch for Save Multiple Items to your clipboard. This feature lets Windows save everything you copy so you can access it later, instead of losing it when you copy something new. Step 5. Once Clipboard History is enabled, you can close the Settings window. All your clipboard items will now be saved automatically whenever you copy text, images, or files. Step 6. Press the Windows key and V on your keyboard at the same time to open your clipboard history. This shortcut is the fastest way to see everything you've copied without opening multiple programs. Step 7. Make sure the Clipboard History button is selected on the right-hand side of the pop-up. This ensures you're viewing the saved items rather than any empty or pinned sections. Step 8. Scroll down to view all your clipboard history. You can click on any item to paste it wherever you need, making it easy to reuse text, links, or files without recopying them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.